In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Stamp Sparkle in Krita. Open the brush preset stalker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type Stamp Sparkle and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single sparkle stamp, or drag your brush to create a trail of repeated sparkle effects. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the sparkles larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for brighter or softer results. You can also adjust the spacing to place the sparkle stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the sparkle effects later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Sparkle brush is designed to stamp sparkle shapes as you paint instead of drawing them one by one. It's a good choice when you're adding highlights, magical effects, glowing objects, stars, or decorative sparkle details to your artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Sparkle brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.